This
is
How
to
Make
a
Moscow
Mule.
Moscow Mule.
Moscow Mule.
Moscow Mule is
It's a vodka-based drink.
with fresh lime and ginger beer.
I actually created the Moscow Mule.
essentially that's what it is.
it's a buck style of drink. Has been invented in the
1941.
And it was born out of the necessity to sell two products: vodka out of Russia and ginger beer out of San Francisco.
There was Jack Morgan and John Martin from the Hublin Company. And I guess they collaborated. Apparently there was a waitress who had a boyfriend who had a copperworks, and they were in this restaurant called the Cock and Bull.
And they came out with this Moscow Mule, with a kick, with the copper mug.
And they used to engrave the mugs with people's names and hang it from the bar.
I'm about efficiency here when it comes to all drinks. We serve ours in Collins glasses, you know what I mean?
Moscow Mule is a bit of a session drink,
a drink that you can drink all evening long, and it's a party drink.
Well, let's get on to it then. To a half ounce of ginger syrup, which is ginger juice, 3/4 ounce fresh lime juice.
Fresh lime juice. Second, we have a homemade honey ginger syrup, a little spice and a little bit of sweetness.
Half a lime, a healthy measurement of vodka. In this case will be 45 ml.
A healthy dose of vodka.
2 ounces of vodka. I know you like it strong.
We're going to take out the vodka and we're going to add pisco.
Which would be in this case 50 ml.
2 shots or 45 ml. We're going to add a little bit of mint and place it in there. Demerara syrup, just for a little bit of richness.
Fresh lime is essential for this drink.
Fresh lime juice as well. A few big ice cubes.
Cap shake.
Stir it through, bring up some of that mint.
Top it off with finest East Imperial ginger beer.
And we add some Angostura bitter.
A pretty rustic drink.
A little lime wheel for garnish.
Garnish it nicely with some cucumber.
Moscow Mule.
Beautiful.
And there's your Moscow Mule. Piece of cake.
Mind blown.